Hi everybody, I'm Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, asking you to subscribe to our Scrapbooking Made Simple YouTube channel. Who is Scrapbooking Made Simple? Well, we are a small independent retailer here in sunny California that has both a retail store and an online store and does YouTube classes every Saturday morning. Our classes are full-length, commercial-free, and are meant for not only the most advanced crafter, but the very, very new crafter coming into this hobby wanting to learn. We try to keep crafting affordable, so our technique-based classes are filled with things that you may already own in your stash, along with bringing you the latest and the greatest, the newest products from our most favorite manufacturers. So, if whether you be a newbie or somebody who's been crafting forever, come be a part of the Scrapbooking Made Simple family and hit subscribe. Join us every Saturday morning for our next Saturday with Stacy YouTube class. Thanks everybody. Bye.